Hey guys, this is Vanya with RC Alley, and today I'm in my RC room. As some of you can tell, it looks a little different than usually, and that's because I'm getting a new shelf to hang my RCs on. Pretty much everything against the back wall of the RC room is cleaned out. That's where the shelf will go. It's pretty big, so I had to clean it all out so we have no issues installing it. We don't want it to fall on any of the cars or expensive electronics or anything like that. So yeah, the back wall is cleaned out. I've pretty much loaded everything on my RC table, and the stuff that was on the sidewalls and the back and right here is still there. That hopefully shouldn't get in the way too much of installing a shelf on this wall. We're in my brother's woodshop right now. Basically, he said if I get the materials, he'll build the shelf for me. I couldn't pass that up. Here's the shelf. It's cherry. Both pieces are cherry. Basically, it's gonna go on the wall like this side against the wall. And right here, these holes are for just sprockets like this, and they'll be adjustable. We'll cut this down and be able to hang the cars on there, and on this part be able to put up whatever I need. Alright guys, here it is. It's all finished. I think it turned out fantastic. Now I just have to reorganize the RC room, and hopefully I'll have a nice little studio to make my videos in from now on. Thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It really helps us out a lot here, and I'll see you next time.